Hi and welcome to Watch and Work. Watch and Work is Contitech's series of service videos for automotive mechanics. In them you'll learn how to change the timing belt on a very wide range of vehicles, simply, safely and quickly. The videos show the key working steps for workshop professionals. My name is Stefan Meyer and I'll show you a different vehicle engine in each video. Today we're looking at an Italian 1.9-liter diesel engine delivering 85 kilowatt from an Alfa Romeo 156 built in 2003. The engine code is 937A2000. And we're using the CT968WP2 kit plus water pump and torsional vibration damper VD1065 with mounting set MS30. Have these manufacturer's tools ready for the fitting work. The first step is to set the engine to TDC cylinder 1, which means removing certain items. Please remove the upper timing belt guard, the engine mount and the crankshaft belt pulley. Set the timings. Move the camshaft sprocket to a particular position and the crankshaft sprocket too. There are two marks for setting the camshaft. We have a notch on the camshaft sprocket and a lock in the plastic cover. The two marks have to be aligned. Move the crankshaft to the TDC position. The locking tool is then required. This is located on the crankshaft. There is a particular fitting position. We have a bore and a dog on the crankshaft. The two have to mate. Unscrew the bolt from the oil pump cover, then screw in this pin that is later screwed in place together with the tool. The timings are set. Next, you have to slacken the timing belt off, loosen the nut from the tensioning pulley and remove the locking tool at the bottom so you can take the belt off. Change the relevant components before fitting the new timing belt. Get rid of the old stuff. There are two things to note here. First, there is a special fitting position for the tensioning pulley, a recess in the tensioning pulley and a lock at the bottom on the engine. The recess has to engage the lock. Then remove the camshaft sprocket so that the water pump can be removed. Please use the counterhold. Take care when fitting the timing belt. The timing belt is designed to run in a specified direction and has two marks for the timings. And the engine has two marks on the camshaft sprocket and the crankshaft sprocket. These marks have to be aligned. Starting with the three arrows and the line marks at the bottom on the crankshaft sprocket, proceed counterclockwise so that the second mark is on the camshaft sprocket at the top. All the relevant components have been changed and the new belt has been fitted. Now fit the locking tool for the crankshaft again and tension the timing belt. To tension the timing belt, move the tensioning pulley to its maximum tension with a suitable tool. I've used an 8mm socket wrench. Why was it important to over-tension the belt initially? We are dealing with brand new rubber. The rubber teeth are large and first have to be made to conform to the belt pulley. By over-tensioning the belt, we pull the rubber teeth into the belt pulleys. This ensures that the rubber conforms to the belt pulleys and avoids later settling. The timing belt is now over-tensioned. Before turning the engine over manually, please remove the locking tool and then reset the tensioning pulley. Once the engine has been turned over twice, reset the timings, locate the locking tool and loosen the tensioning pulley until the pointer is aligned with the tensioning pulley bore. The tension is correctly set. To verify this, remove the locking tool, turn the engine over twice in the direction of engine rotation, then check the timings and tension again. Then reassemble the engine in reverse order. Okay, almost done. You now just have to check everything has been reassembled. Follow the manufacturer's specification, particularly when it comes to the torques. Remember, gently does it. Don't forget our quality mark. Place our change sticker in a clearly visible location in the engine compartment, so that the customer sees that you've installed quality.